ayɛ n'adwene sɛ ɛwɔ MPP for 45 bia ɔmo pɛ ɔmo mpɛ o meka MPP MPs so 45 bia Mahama si ɔde wɔn ɛbɛkɔ jail na wei ɛyɛ hitting plan ɛyɛ hiding plan ɛyɛ plan bi a ɛyɛ secret pa na sɛ yɛn nyinaa ɛbɛka yɛ a ɛnkyɛ bia last week ɛna kɔgye ɔpɔnkroma ɛkɔyɛ video bi anaasɛ ɔkɔɔ asase pa radio so a na ɔne bono hene edi nkɔmɔ ɛna papa yi bɛka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ onim sɛ next week koraa na ndisi aban na dwen sɛ ɔbɛkyi MPP MPB because MPP foɔ yɛ kasa dodo ɔka asasɛm no people thought say it was just a comment but abusua nɔkorɛ ne nɔkorɛ paa week na papa ne ka yɛ no saa week na mu na yɛde kyicha ma Wontumi kɔtom yɛde di na asɛm bua ne fɔ de ne kɔtom enti saa asɛm wɔ yɛ a asean bɛtɔ abɔnten sɛ Mahama has a plan to jail 45 MPP MPs no ama amanfo bi sa sɛ ei asɛm na no ɛdeno na deɛ etwa to okura etwa nsono mu ne sɛ yewura Mahama ahyɛ ase a osi adeɛ bi yɛsɛ frɛ ne tribunals a saa tribunals no ɛnyɛ court dan mu o ɛyɛ te sɛ deɛ nipa binom ahyia na ɔde wasɛm aba na ɔmo adwenem deɛ ɔmo dwene o ɛnyɛ deɛ mmara ka o deɛ ɔmo ankasa na ɔmo dwene their personal perceptions ɔmo de gyina so ebua ufo ɛde asotwe to so saa deɛ na Mahama pɛ sɛ ɔmfa mmara Ghana ɛna basan so ɛna adwene sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔngyeri NPP foɔ. So what actually it means is say, sa tribunals na osi oba besisi no manum no. It is purposely for the MPP. Because omo no ba appointed enkrofo mbekwa akoye adwuma wo ho. Omo nye judge so. Omo nye assembly DBF, omo nye judge so. Omo ye common people. And ombekwa akotena ho. Akwakodi amamfo asem. Enti say ye de wokọ ho na say wo ye target of John Mahama. Wasem kura ne yempenni na bakosem bi etayasem wo yachi ebre bi atwam John Rawlings breso ye di tribuna si ya na de pese Ghana fo dodo ajapade Ghana fo binum edwane free Ghana maimu businessmen ahodo they had to run from the country. It was the effect of the tribuna abrebim Judge John Rawlings de ba ya judge binum ejijina omobo so se saa kwan na omofa so didi amanfo asem no emfata na ense na enti no omo kodi atia saa tribunal no saa judges na ikokum omo a na maame bi ka ho a na oye maame ana oma ne ba enofo anom no. Those were the judges a omo se mmranim kwan so no the tribunal system does not work well. Omo na ikokum wom enti de me pese me nkan na unti ase nyina ne se the MPP in 8 years. No more say we are all one citizens. And so be a body kurana. Yempe kwambisuna ye manim finding a way to what? To solve or to compensate for the bonny away. And crofo way they buy, you know. They don't kill. Unye bone krana so far as ye adwon say ye pese ye mubu MPP for apre na de why ya target to be a do beko through the tribunal ye mfa unko court na de Ghana mra ato wasem no ho na de ajeje ye de ukoba bi asese MDC for munim hwe omunenam krum kwa na ya form akotro so omun ye judge omro mukodi wasem na ye kone akwa akotie ba bi asa secret hint we epie bae enipa odi asem we betu dwa na obi anyante ho asem efrene Charles Owusu Juana Esquire papa we or a senior citizen or a concerned Democrat or sanso ye lawyer ni kese pa e wo Ghana maimu ono na dis asem we betu dwa eti yenko ni yenko tie ye wi a we will come back to the studios.
Aha. Eja, ye die ho bo ye kotokron ka so de biarada. Mrasam de wabi mu ye pa. Kanso me din ka me ye hwe enei High Court ruling what the bar here were convicted Bernard Entchubu Siako, Chairman Wontumi, 20 years in prison custody with hard labor. No, didn't kind of Usomu saying.
Well, Mark, but Metieti said, no possible. Bill, judgment here about 40 pages.
Yeah.
Now, Metieti is who a commentary, Siama, no Makanka Krebi. Now, Emingwa say, your man of 40, your man of 20
years. Yeah.
Didn't you make a sign say? From what I'm in the Martin, I must say, Papa no, the company near friend I contact mining.
Yeah.
Your mining concession.
Yeah.
Which is our license, our the mining. Now mining concession license, your mom now go your mining now. Yes, I'm so catch say. So to two amrani na uye we di nyina wi a ese wo san reclaim wo san esi amna no reclaim land na me tie na me afi me can accepts no
yeah
na judge na go to the point so okay ade no akwa na omde man say onye reclaiming no ono na akoye galamsey was a mining. Okay, mining. We already license for third party. Now, I conta mining na yadi ade de ma woman. Me de me bisa o. Me your lawyer need but me bisa. And your corporate body. I conta mining a corporate body.
Yeah.
It can sue and it can be sued. And now, sending servants ye be enya. I conta corporate mining is vicariously liable. Until the me when they say, oh, you're reclaiming, wakofo biaba. And what breaches say, to me mine, upa to be mining. A breach of the rules and regulations, your friend say, Minerals Commission. Now, when you director of the company, the presumption is Akonta mining. And Ama Aquano Quine say, or mining through their license. Oti the beacons. Onye through because akwana nyeso abasa onu nkasa ba betu ya mena adwuma so onye
oh yeah
akota mine de mano and through that no onu so mine the presumption is that or the microphone license no the adwuma because onu license be or the be adwuma and afi Wontumi no or you be or shareholder and also director of akota mine or a servant of the company now at what point in asade ni detach.
Okay.
Near the court for 20 years.
Nesenke also court no hwe the entire
of course, how it went on.
Okay.
Said one license that because one license there ought to be two. And there ought to be a refill. Third party in the Diasemaba. Third party this can be identified. Say papa we no koko ye. Say make just the assassin. And you will be refill mama na so ka say ozo koko two because ozo koko two mining. The presumptions are a separate body. The presumptions are called mine Minerals Commission. No one can license. Also, go for be mama sase wa hase. It be Minerals Commission license na me dia kwa kotu. You know. And so no anya dia. I didn't hear the koko blame Wontumi. Na Wontumi call them 20 years.
Can say amount for
me dem entias you.
The one more can say Minerals Act no maho kwan.
And I'm saying, yes, yeah. Regulation, no, so all that's all the license. I want to meet too.
Yeah,
but what is the punitive effect of that sort of regulation that we're boosting?
Okay,
is it 20 years imprisonment for a director of the company?
And that's entire Akonta mining, no?
Yes, Papa, no, a director of Akonta mining.
Yeah,
maybe. Akonta mining, so a company, so a personality. Company it miss you no and no company so to miss you be now you say the company nipa bi ye boni a company ni vicariously liable intermediate be kind I was expecting say judge the beka say Akonta mining it's on your watch and I dey we see on my bridge regulation tibu de muntua 5 million Ghana cedis
okay
in fines
okay
for adenesi What did they make? And I be okay, Mr. Wontumi, be out now, Mark, I'm into who as a director, no, you opposition is over director of the company. Me say no, the best way forward. The analysis na me who criminal the baban wo kunipa, and I am manslaughter, and I some robbery be and wakoye. I don't see how a director who might have gone against the rules, in a certain way, is being punished for 20 years imprisonment.
Council, Obeje is a personal vendetta and be obi on more share.
Well, I mean, personal enter to that area. I would just want to maintain the legal aspect of it.
Okay.
Now, from my experience in the practice of law, Abuchi and Krumah, and the other places I might have done, when these things come up, a whole regime, I say, judge, or Tuno Boise, no go through, no find out exactly what actually happened. Me was what trotro. Say he admitted. Papa ni admitted so no mark. Papa ni quite so ungongotu. And I'm saying even at that point, if the servant of the company, emo be quite wamra enye quite say a man quite no kotu na so akwa kotu na samaba. A company in the brand of the because the servant no wako ye juma. I say ukaka. Oya driver near the car master for kobe. Now they go kudipa. And now they copy movie.
Okay.
Would you copy movie car? The obetiano, a company. The company insurance and insurance betia. It's the same principle. It am baffled to say a director of a company. Oh my BB as a some way. Not director ne kwa kodemu 20 years. A bad president just as I deal with say money transfer. Next say sometime to come even the president. So koye BB. Nasa the kabagana ha. You make back as a master on the country who near Bible so move for that and your state no mau indemnity.
There are certain bad precedents.
A very bad precedent. It is not a safe judgment.
At all. No more chat to Honomo.
And you're safe.
Na council be swear cassa at the end of Sebe and Cabayan Shaswo. I'm out for Frontina.
There be Master Okan
Okay.
Open source set up a deterrent. And you take obi human rights, right to freedom, and the right of a year for 20 years. Also, when they set up president. I would add a young.
Okay.
We cannot detach what is happening on the ground from what has happened. This Magalam say yeah, because and make some time back before some elections. NGC for quadrant no catch a man for say as a president he declare state of emergency. Omo declare state of emergency. Me ka bioma ka to so say gold board to gold. And Crawford no to gold will chrome Hassan. Some major companies no to gold will chrome Hassan. Toma, only a small percentage normally the it is our gold baby and me who pay me so much to 54 tons of gold.
That's what you say.
And our gold board will mines be a home to gold ana.
Debbie.
It's a young man to galam say a better gold on my gold board. And me feel that this decision it's a political it's so disappointing. I'm so disappointed. Say the courts have now begun to engage themselves in these things. Wow. It is not right. 20 years imprisonment. Yeah, and can we mami ya. Why wouldn't money a year why didn't go to 1 year? Yes, your money pleaded guilty. Well, a charger. Oh, I didn't charge no the bond. Under which law? Constitutional and legal law be beyond.
Almost say
near dinner got 1 year. Are they?
Wow.
It is a concerted effort. But me Matthew, me them say artisamo Mati. Say nipa be 43 of NPP 443. There before some muti ni ye. Nipa be 43. Ma ya line them up here. Them all by. Be one by one.
Ah,
yes.
NPP 443.
43.
They what no no.
Me the Martin.
Yeah, one more born in the same.
Now only baby. As my making. Tell me, you ever call elections where you know me open letter to the president. President. And you maybe I know I can cut them no oil elections. Number one, also about the Chief Justice. Number is way. Me wa
way.
Or say primaries will be a thing of the past. So sikite me wa. Or say primaries will be a thing of the past. It will sikite or extending the time, no. And even though the constitution is it's a shut clause, a article, a shut, and you open and shut, a shut.
That's a maho kwan krampo.
Till I'm trying to be fat crimes obey, and also can obey. Or besides, I didn't know so for no money. What I say, and I make us say, democracy na di or no. Etimiamana no abedi be you free. Etimiamana be the president no. A soldier for me too.
Wow.
I didn't know soldier phone to ye. Okay, say electoral commissioner so oba obey you no. And now or the tribunal no beba back.
Beba ho no mo. Ibidi mu nkomo.
The tribunal no and or the aba back. Chief justice no we you know. Afede na aka. Third term no ye the Supreme Court for interpretation. Enti nyoma na oye no oka so obeye no enwa no gusu a oye no. Na NPP for me Castroma catch mu biom se. Se masoasi anase munim na maye din dia. Yes, we are you know na your phone sir.
No wa hwe de.
Na wa hwe de. Now when you water catch NDC phone say if you water down the law, you can't water down the law and just reduce the effect, the potency of the law for your benefit. Sa law na beba be church na. Because time also be here say law no be defend one. Na law no water it down. Introduce a point na wo ne beba cho. Me my example.
Okay.
Chachu chikata. Omodi causing financial loss willfully by no kai. No mo say NPP for near the barbecue.
Yeah.
Causing financial loss willfully. And unluckily for him, guarantee be okoko sign on behalf of GNPs for Brand and Macquaman in science are guaranteed. Guaranteed the pay guarantee no nankofono e barbecue musika. Because the background sign guarantee the man when Timmy.
Yeah.
Yeah, then. It's causing financial loss willfully. Yeah, they go to prison.
Yeah.
Well, Kusa Tokwana try to clear his name in all means. Besine. Well, Kusa also still.
Okay.
Very tainted. It is all ye be I saw who's on mine and your dear. You only have a period of time, I'll obey. So grab na otisu na wo ye kra na ofemu na wuya we chifo no samra no e ba be di wo chifo
esa ba e do techi no e
bo ba adenti na untimi nya public officer ana wonya judge na wonhwe emra no mu na wo fa ndi ase se de be o kire bi na gba so de se wo judge wo ye ruling na se ruling wa anye ni ya na so go against the rules and the regulations na what so say wo the guide for you na your friend misbehavior.
Okay.
And when can appeal will be by a womb. Yes, we misbehave.
Okay.
And you know the Chief Justice in the panel on my friend. No one justify how you gave this judgment. When to me justify you are tired yet.
Council where Chairman Wontumi die now we the rate at which we wait me prosecute no and tentem less than 1 year I should say. Now we wait me convicted on one. When you senka a justice system ye nyina ko ye nimu ano ne sanse kan bi ankabonu se itimi drag ya be 4-5 years na yen kansem ni wiye na so we no womtimi ye na ntentem so no mo wie a
de bi na se na me no nya adwe sa 4-5 years anya papa because justice denied is justice justice denied it you know the itimi di the best 6 months cry because adnesenka within a short time na ya judgment na nipa krono so ba appeal so be de oni aye it you know the default year happens and also before said the system na the lawyer for system na was you know and they had because lawyer be or you be 10 cases.
Okay.
The day now or court be 5-6 cases. It your call adjournment and also delay. What the mechanism. But I know them they need problem.
Okay. Do you have a problem with the rate at which Omotimi conclude on Samra Boy case you know with Wontumi no? A rush through no my intent one answer when a legal process no na etimi akontema ma Omotimi wi ni say.
What's that any day also almost set up a date on my judgment.
Yeah.
And now almost changing solicitors. Well, the essence of changing the solicitors say Bianca Obenya some sort of new legal injection to come up with certain things that Ombe argue.
Okay.
But I may say because let me read certain parts of the judgment now, my minute or judge in a trial.
Yeah.
Or see or admit say ono ye ono ma kwan no so mo konkwe reclaim and no admit so mo kutu omo timi tu ade ne na ye. Yes. So admit so yeah the effect of the admission goes into a corporate entity where admitted so being going to be or baby.
Okay.
And it's a uncle. Oh yeah.
Okay.
How do you deal with it? Intimidate is a political decision.
Council my young and then on the lawyers a plead send Kebeya. Ye man ample time. Said the beya will be to me bre. Na case which may go through you. Especially NSC and a lawyer no any jurisdiction anymore. Now what took was cited several issues watch the crampus and a pomodenia dear needing a can be. But justice Kokuvite a procedure with judgment and ya and nay watch I said the course near Tini Nano said you to me man who it means sin quite say what a judgment ever. You heard the case said will be lawyer any one more. Not you pronounce it judgment. Abra lawyer need one more a harding.
They be said a weak case no. Na judge ni be ruled in the judgment or babe kind of judgment there. Lawyer then I be obey interject the judgment in which you know what the judgment or chro be kind.
Okay.
Just say we've got a chuchi katomi the bisa.
Yeah.
Ya kind. Inti no ya no na ha madwene. Say judge na ready so but say ye di asem na lawyer bi bem fofra. The presumption is say a man quite no steady case because they say lawyer back no case no ko. Inti a man quite maybe 2 or 3 months no the steady case ninya no who the facets and sign say be obey amendment to so obey file bibia ka ho and all the arguments for be wetimi aye enti we dem say time no enso and therefore no kasa so no ni krom na ye be ruling no but ninya appeal point because judge lawyer back no or ka say or resign because of a new baby and then for trial enti be so say there are things sir, the new lawyer now abano which may use you as appeal point. No the appeal decisions now judgment na ya no.
Cause the yenhwe processes no say no lawyers ye won dwen say omo akwa appeal processes be no mo famu na wo mo famu so appeal no omo koye no wo mo stay execution of the judgment and na simple no
o file notice of appeal now.
Okay.
Now file where you grounds of appeal in your manner. Now let's work for stay of execution.
Okay.
It took a grant mawa. Send the lower court no and grant here. Now I say repeat here you know what a high appeal court.
Okay.
So almost one grant here now if you call
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. Why especially not Supreme Court?
And most especially when you quite a criminal case, you know. Na appeal no. How difficult will it be?
Well, a big acquire my on the face of it, it might say sentence no punishment here too harsh.
Okay.
The first thing that I would do is make a sentence no must be reduced because it is too harsh.
Okay.
Into a monteso. And the court to be look at all that said you know maybe I might explain my market away or maybe in okay. If you say too harsh, it be reduced I could say. And I bear and say and I say you beat him crab boy good be before from. And only the first now because of it there's a conviction. Conviction is overturning and easy.
Yeah.
But easy because but a point of correction.
Okay.
Of almost filing notice of appeal now. A man requirement have asked for a bail. Okay. Put a bail pending the appeal to be heard. No. Obey my baby Sadia.
Okay. Okay. And counsel young head say we are a legal counselor. Move Ben will be taking. Especially almost 6 conviction, dear man were 20 years, you know. So we are a legal counselor and a more Ben Albefa.
Well, in the midst of a normal baby, I met mayor. No, the first thing a clear say judgment, a punishment, no, dear man. Was through to and you know, may appeal for such judgment, no, to be reduced. Number one. I feel maybe to say that my explaining and your man makika canina. Maybe son your many young men will say. Now, what part did the company actually played in this thing? Was the company no a decision or yes, I could be going to a third party in going to a no. Was it the company's decision and that's a be personal decision? It's a be personal then writing and then the background was all the yes decision because company they say my quine. There must be a board I didn't know my normal survey. Or to the mechanism. Okay. To make go through all that and find out whether Papa no, if anything, Wontumi.
Yeah.
You bet me the church ya ashenana. Me with my experience in law and the rest of, I feel says that there should have been a huge fine to the company.
Okay. Because rather than say you single out individual,
yes. Rather than custodial sentence to a director of the company. I believe that there should have been a huge fine, because when I would deter, you are deterring the company, any company, from doing this sort of thing again. Because as for the director of the company, he's only a servant of the company, working on behalf of the company. What did they make an answer?
Okay.
It is so I call you BB, I know my instruction, in the world. The presumption is a company no, and it says suffer because on no dinner baho. What did they make an answer?
Okay.
And to be find the company no. Nah, I don't know how it's be because the director knows you Wontumi need director view for 5 years and now for 10 years Wontumi need director view. But the company will have to pay. But where there, baby, I would run. I'm tempted to believe say more political than you.
Samum.
I'm tempted to believe that.
The man who look at it say more political because one go through all these processes. Yeah, the legal counsel near dear, or more admitted near dear. Nini na no to this date here. As I'm not very on Samurai boy issue, no. I didn't know what you say. More political.
Well, maybe I'll be beyond. Sadly, I okay. If you do baby, and people will have to make a decision. I know you go through the normal association, all the terms and all the rules and the DI association. Conform. We do baby, somebody will have to pronounce judgment.
Okay.
Now, on no judge, or do a point or not feel say this is what it is. There is an influence, and that's whatever they were there, and will be pronouncing a judgment according to how it feels. That is why you have the opportunity to appeal. The judge can also make a mistake.
Okay.
That is why you have an opportunity to appeal. Intimidate who say 20 years for somebody who's a director of a company, which the company had a mining license and had given somebody a job to do to reclaim mining sites, which is also a law in the mining, say utu abrano no utu anywhere, so reclaim.
Okay.
Then the panafa who know or mining. How does somebody go to prison for 20 years for this?
Okay.
A director of the company, a servant of the company, because as a director of the company, you are a servant of the company.
Right. I will say lawyer Charles Owusu Juana editing common way senior citizen and a concerned Democrat. Will be a bad member be ye pa and Yeguswa ye di enko yanko nice bill. Ya womo dia bay. Parliament e pass bill. Say wobetimi aboa na afei womo sisi court nkumenkuma e wo ye mantem na afei nso no ye potem wodo na nini na hye se wɔn si yɛ no mpempi no cases bi wɔ hɔ no mu a backlogs no dɔɔso dodo ɛne nti no wɔn sisi saa tribunals yi a ɛne regions ɛne district no a wɔn sisi saa tribunals no sɛ kɔba sɛ cases ne ba mpo na ɛnkɔnkɔ kɛkɛseɛm ne adeɛ no a ɛhɔ no a wɔn tumi yɛ ne ntɛntɛm na wɔn abua na wɔn de judgement aba na amanfoɔ concern na wɔn yɛ ne sɛ especially sɛ wɔde amanfoɔ bi a sɛbi wɔn ni ayi emremu nimtie bia ebetremu na wo ma make judgment no contribute to judgment no amafo bi chese anhwe yi a na obi ho tan ne ade nti no sebio wakwakofa so akọ convict no amafo so ka say we ne kebeboa sere be ya saa backlog cases no ya na de bia no eta ba no so no yetimi ayi afiri ho no wo ye mranim ni tribunals bill yi usom saying
with the backlog no more can it is because it's a court and also an ambwa.
Okay.
Yes, the judges are more krum hanging we about 300.
Yeah.
And the courts are dying, so maybe we court down a biniho. And you know, see, you cut the time of court a yina. Yes, the court down being kahun.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 judges in the being kahun. You train you normal cocotem. Now, I call it a parallel, you almost don't buy any time there. I'm fast track what the goosey say. I didn't tell the other. Ye baba any time say ye be bu nneoma ni bebre so na ya in 10 time near the go to prison. And then because any who tribunal back no
Wow.
Rollins no tribunal some de na me small boys ti me bia na yan wo mu kura ti mu ehu nipa edi omu gu mu a yan tra omu yie nipa ye de koku won mu nipa omu dwane fi kro mu ani enyoma course sa tribunal time no na is serious. Unim say sa judges no yiku won mu no ye ko twetwe omu na koku won mu no. They were the judges that no overturn tribunal no. Tribunal, some of the tribunal decision no overturn it. Ena yakwachi omo ikoku om ya sa. What did they make us? And the tribunal need a leave a bad taste e Ghana for num.
Okay.
A very very bad taste e Ghana for num. And for somebody to come and say okay tribunal me sa dia baba go come during election time and was asa dia ba physically say ye dey ba for what purpose? Ye yes can ye dia court to be brave. Ya set up court to be and tribunal and the judge you say lawyer ni na betra o train judge.
Debbie.
Lawyer no court tribunal or train judge which is a substandard. Substandard delivery of justice. Judge not take court to the no or no a train judge. And no dear same this also set up a crown okay yeah percent the public must be part of it and you set up a jury of 12 people. No one can say okay guilty or not guilty. Now go for two non-lawyers with a lawyer to sit down as a court and vote on a decision. What kind of court is that? It's certainly a kangaroo. No matter whether it's drawing straight from the constitution or not, in the implementation culture or no, when it gets to a certain point, those three people have to make a decision.
Yeah.
Akoya Pena said in Batum, and then Abeye, the Chief Justice, no. When he went through, I gave the lawyer so far I can say, I deal with a meeting standard, and I will say if you do call forward, and then he see it, and the Chief Justice on you. What did I make an answer? It's Yehubida. Let us not pretend as if we don't know what is happening. Yehubida. It is a tribunal never. It is in bad taste. Because Ghana first suffer a member, businessmen, all properties were confiscated. And no maybe because of tribunal. And so confirm and net tribunal also. It won't mean styling who cover preko nas or body tie now dressing now called mad in the moon. It is an opportunity for a group of people to be vengeance about people, arrest people and put fear in the lives of the people of Ghana. It is going to militate against our democracy, and I am against it to the hilt.
Because we also say as a jury ya can once me a legal process anymore or call various courts no ya almost set up jury ya yenim dada enti we mo de ban de enya de be ye hu bia se ye ko set up jury
Debi
okay
the mention say high court na say jury aba
yeah
omotiho ya kan law no ye bibia law afo no come say nyina wi a na fa ato ama omde dey say guilty or not
guilty. Ye mighty for ntia say jury ne ye womo a e ba ne mremu a womo nhyere nim die bia na
de ntia ye fa jury ne say who say court no emra na ye dey adwuma
yeah
but nkofo no mo ti lord kwans na omo act together we didn't say they wait here now you accept we accept and then your man it's like you are importing the street life into the court.
Okay.
Anything that jury the baker said not guilty won't say but I had your opinion so street to say happen there be into who say offensive.
Okay.
It is law no be baker say I'm not guilty. It is your man never be vote to omni judge me vote to no ka say akwefa ni ko to mari ko ye fa ni ko to. It me say substandard o. Si pesi ye court foforo ana ye pesi ye court system judicial system ni mu kena and ye ma chief justice sika no offense see more courts often training more judges.
Okay.
Trained judges, qualified judges no mo konko train new courts no mo nya adwuma. Now if you are trying to find another way of solving a problem that you claim there and then there must be an ulterior motive because the tribunal it does not taste well in the mouths of Ghana because they have suffered under the tribunal, you know. It also be a complaining. Everybody is complaining. Yes, I'm complaining. The tribunal near Ghana for Chrome properties is up to now. A bit property, Chrome Sankai Bill. Oh, yeah, no, my baby. And that's our judges, no, over 10 decisions of the tribunal. And you got your Coco and Yakoshoma insurance show. A buyer is almost start to see Supreme Court anymore. That is the truth. And how do you bring it back? Aden. And then I cost you, oh, the Bible change bibia.
Okay.
There must be a reason.
Council, what should be a quadria? Akasama penny be accenti. Did you ho? Say, the
Missing man penyika say, or the tribunals in Beba back.
To what did you say or be accenti?
The executive arm is in his hands. Legislature, I want in some. And when you Chief Justice Bakun will appoint a new Chief Justice. Intimate Maka say, on the face of it, no, he has control on all these three organs of government. It will be a vacancy say you'll be na yam rebi or baby never. I don't believe it. Because he said it before he won the elections and or ever. To your kind of no yet.
Despite the amount for agitated or have flag bearer come on the NPP ticket, Wabaka Wasem TUC Trade Union Congress, Wobina Kan Wasem Senkebeya, one more Emposo Kakra, no more consultation. Do you think it's a consultation? A bit me would be Papa?
Master, ya pass a bill, there will also consultation. Bill, you have a pass your consultation stage. Maybe a bedroom near Kasoke, or if I win count, you will say free, you will say free, young opinion groups, you know, you find out what they are saying about it and anyway. Ya pass our stage, you know. It has become a law. It the Gina laws are law, no. Yes, our tribunal, you know, mas you know, any ebe alive no mas setting up a president of our senti. Because say president, you know, or can during a year 2024 election or can so or back or the tribunal and beba.
Okay, the amount for because
so change of mind they are sending your own assent.
Okay, now say president and Sanadria, you bet him their commerce with your film beam.
Or to send a send your son sign into Mufan causes away, whatever it is.
But maybe out here no only say a bit sir.
Oh yes, so decide this what is an argument okay with the pressure that is coming from all angles into assistant argument okay tribunal and you cry in your menka. And your son sign, or back at your son sign into almost a fanco. A part the amount of days be as an eye obsolete.
Now say as it stands now, no Ghana no here South tribunal see.
Me see, you were magistrate courts, you were district courts, you were circuit courts, you were high court, you were court of appeal, you were a supreme court. South courts in there were branches all over the country. It is a person set up the entire clocked up and say, Ubeko court back, judge, you know, all the cases bear 20 at the same time. Odi wait by 20 minutes. Who odi wait by 20 minutes. Odi wait 10 minutes. Why Jenny we say? Why Jen? And until the man cases need delay no. Or judge back one. Yeah, odi or 20 cases. Different facts so.
Okay.
Into a kind facts way. What kind way? No ayakakra. No asai jai. No asan se san. No ali calibrating agony. No asai you way kakra. No asai you way kakra. Better than the cases ninche. But here were other courts because they be a district courts. You assign a 100 account one crime. Kumasi other places they are able account one. Second district court no judge no be 3-4 cases be no ye beboa. Obeti maybe you say within the month to we pass sentence your queen. It is so you have invest or tribunal and you sisi dying for tribunal no. You invest it can court system no mu. See more courts. You training more judges, competent judges.
Existing court systems.
Okay. Council, year 20 come also no yen hwe the judicial system na nsen ade bia ba ekwa set trend. Yeah, ye obi a the 48 hour rule no. Sisi akwa ese e wo paper so. But ye busu no anase mpoli this one akwa yasem. Na otimi chi obi ombutimi demonstration na 3 days, 4 days ni ade na ye nya onipa ko ye gya no so a na bail condition no akwa atwamene yesi kofa Yesu Kristo ne moyere miensa bra ansa ne yatimi agya wo se enim se ye pese ka wo hye wonti no na ye ne kokwasa saa ba bia nyina du so wo man yi saa enom ye koso yi ha ye kebem mu nana
se police will stop and search obetim so acho
saa
stop and search be down no acho
without even warrant.
Yes, stop and search. Arrest or crown or do say okay, me suspect so we the investigation investigation now. Yes, 48 hours. Within 48 hours, so Timmy do court. When Timmy van court so jaw. What I say? I bear the order of the days police watch 48 hours in the over two. You bear no maybe but it is okay about bail. bail here amount say especially police one kasa the amount bail condition didn't dey bia police one kasa debi you be say yoko any other if I be an akwana so matter bail condition didn't dey no EOCO and a bail condition 50 million come
now one more jurisdiction no
well say no certain bail condition but the mention say the bail condition who say every offense be organ be bailable. That just say we betim see bailing na the freedom of when infringe on his freedom of movement. What I say?
Okay.
It is a offense be organ has say bailable there. So set up a bail condition 50 million Ghana cedis. Papa Nankasa the worth you do 1 million and not 2 million and not 3 million. That just say you are denying him of the bail. Because the effect of Asemna Wakano in denying him of being able to meet the bail condition unconstitutional. Because Nipano at the highest or you only on your convicted person, on your body
or just suspect
or your accused person, I am convicted. Then Nipana unconvicted also offer bail 50 million. But when you make your over the mark of the business,
Council, the my bill. Offense no a yesu se wa ye no se ye quantify ne hu say okay yesu se wadi aban sika na ye hwemu a 10 million Ghana cedis enti no ye ma bail 10 million Ghana cedis na bail condition no recovery system a ye de gi de yesu se wa ye no ana
de bi na se ka so wo gi de wa allege se wa ye ne dia se ne mra ne mwadra. Because you won't convict him of any offense. You won't establish a case. Akwan with this canana, we canana, why? Won't me establish it? It's the bail a year day man say, yeah, say your mouth conditions to be a Obeban di wasem.
Okay.
It's a then your mouth bail. It's okay, Kwagu. I didn't say case that were honey. Criminal court to the echo, criminal court in Yiska. A punishment. What is a criminal court? I say, court in Yiska. There be person Jews stick at the back. Oh, they cause civil swap because Act 991 was a done for as a Bank of Ghana for acting. And funny panel call criminal side. They didn't call baby a directors of companies no mind. Just scan it back. It's so they call criminal side. Nipano also I call Whisker. It's now they call to what we whisker for and you could deny them. You found guilty and you jail. You don't call prison bear 5 years. Oh, to the mechanism. And you want to me first the can't puno. And determined say obey but to be so established be a better say nipa no obeba court nti no benya surety osugwagu for surety me sabra mo to mo wadan kro mo fa dan esisu no mo famra dan ko for naba no mo dia ba dan ka say on for 50 million bra to be justified nipa hin na 50 million o account mu e okrom ha and now more access to the tune of 50 million.
Cancer for education muka kane entiase se ye kasa ye belu na mbum fa ebia 50 million Ghana cedis bra e kire se kodwiri sika ne bra
ana bi e wo se nipa na oba no e so kita nyoma dupe na obegina bail amount e so wo assets a the value bedu sa
e japade
and the value bedu sa
okay enti ekosusu a na ye hu ne se okay japade a wodi besi a wo wai ne bo sum sei eni se npo no ye hwewo ya ne ye hunu a ye betima kwaton ajapade no ne de ato aban futuo mo
de tua
okay
but tio ansan na obeg do sa point no I was the panier guilty of the offense ansan we do sa point no see ye kwaton na ade ana ye kwese de atua but me chose criminal proceedings no enye sika na ode ba no ne ye hwe se ade na ye no I just see a be find guilty near na to prison and punishing for the money away. And now say you be declared not guilty no akwakoda. It is a casemino and mem into when your sureties are more reasonable way you know which manua. It's enough. But you can see a civil court to there. I know dear. You can see a dinner same way as okay, a dinner same way or the cano a car as so to ya. Yes, okay, over dying. Near question and dying. Ni dan is yes ni dan you ti attach ni dan ya koton ni dia ba betua ba criminal de yes we di boni enti boni na we di ne do kokot nya kodi wa say fa get ya do betu prison skasam na ni de no
cancer beba de na be sinti a ye betimi achi obi in the case of Iyoko na ye do afasa bail condition ya de we ni na chi be wi akire no na ye charge wo yɛmfa nkɔgyina court na akɔ sɛ
yes if we be holding charge holding charge if we be holding charge
council no yɛ de
no say you nim say there be as we be enim and there was here show
okay na say no we ni mu a
ni achu
okay
ya chu ane akonko ho na yes bail condition say punishment punish because you nim say asem na nim a ekosi baby
na no na basa no a infringe one so right.
That is the issue.
Okay.
Tio, who have freedom of movement. What I say? It's you don't got too much and you take freedom of movement. Are you right in you take care of anything I say? A bonibia baby, there's a available because you're basically being infringed on go for freedom of movement right and also unnecessarily and arbitrarily.
That's a boapayo na ya na.
Oh, Baba India, but I'm still holding charge. Holding charge.
Watch you. No more bail condition or that data on your desk. After we are just
saying, investigations. Investigations, the caucus, you're remanded. Near the Waka to me 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Someone say a week be a report on him. Emma,
sometimes you remand you. You remand you, maybe I don't call the police, and the court and say, you remand you. The remand you, hold that. Like just say, you signed to about court some time back. It told me said over call someone, see I remand one someone for 1 month. Nina under the basis say police is conducting their investigation and you might temper with the evidence, you know, and now be we into here do akwakoto. Nina ya nyomo mo ye.
Council concern ba ko a amanfo kan say ya na de ne yehwe say ya chi obi na ye charge de ne kokota. De ne yehwe a yetimi select say we de yemfa ne nko court we enkudi nasem. Because the Inter-America sign said, Manfred Bina express a concern. Say, a dental circuit court honomo, dear Potinese honomo, as a yechi and Crofukubia, Honor Edo Moko, a dear year, it is selected court, no. Send the police for any prosecution. Okay. Who's a chroma as an attorney general, yeah? A buying lawyer will prosecute you. And the ultimate cases in okay. It will do point to be on the attorney general cases in to have a police for the police for ye be my own. And with the Macassa made the minimum in Nigeria because a law firm they brew almost space or meeting my prosecution work now by. But so to say, until police for no so ye be. And most of the time, no. Yes, who could hear some who judge who could hear some no now who the fabric of your case they say judge in a kind of judge or to obey say. Well, who that is about deploy, sir.
Internet just okay if I name quite then case execute court what do you say judge no no my can obey need I didn't practice no I may run the argument before a judge because Mr. Judge was soft side for this particular argument I may be right and then a skill no skill intended when my man for because
the didn't workers and say near you be no adenta straight near the Kohonom a chew be no no unipano ye beer woman so NPP near near the Neko adenta no Mrs. another kwabenya kra wo hono mo ne ada court near
anybody meet because me aware of
especially when onipa no kwa jurisdiction eni hono mo se bi etimi chi obi free kumase na yesi da bi yeni na se mo kumase na mbom yedi be free kumase abankran
send the overflows you know e be a case they were very sensitive nipa kwa no abusuafo ene nyoma nyoma wo kumase this case no kumase a emwa etimi de ko di na se mo tamale and it be declined there a judicial system a out ni na ye wonyoma enti a ye sa nyoma no enti ende enya be enya adwuma adwuma nim
Shannon mom say me lawyer Charles Owusu Juana and the din komo no wo senior citizen concerned democrat and the ban mremu nso a wakwadere mu yie pa wasan so chairman at the ma Friends of Baumia 2008 enti yebegba NPP amanyusem na afei ya hwe noma wodo nso ekoso na wotwe wie ya hyase NPP fo hyase a wo mo elections in kakra last week you say na wo ma hyase constituency ne other ones nei wo mo vetting for regional executives ni ade no so far wo hwe processes no a wo mo de rebuild here wakwakoye chairman for Friends of Baumia who ni say ekoyie
die Friends of Baumia 08 die yeah association
okay
yeah gi ahode fi constitution
okay
of Ghana NPP so the political party also in the form of an association, but elections on my year basis, there are some pitfalls. Be 1 or 2, 3 were a year, and just a replicating. You maybe a happen here. Grounds was divided, independent by me. Let me feel say, and no may see needs said you lose to parliament, you lose parliament, you hang parliament in 2020, and in 2024, this is if you lose the San money in Ankombejai. But it seems that more people are more interested. So, me person in Crawford rather than bringing everybody inclusive. So we are young twaba. When you are young twaba, the background being on here, then beko. In terms of the minus, and obviously it is a minus against the executives of the party right now, because I know man the course national executives no, as I know man the course from 2020 time ever independent because 2020 you call parliament no na akwabi oko independent see timi amfana ma be join ya for me na say ankoyi o to the mechanism I'm so more they didn't take any lessons from what happened 2024 and so the same thing and you might be very happy and you got 2028 coming forward there and can come set up a platform where everybody will be and the Kabomuno eba because Kabomuno was here the numbers are two about almost here home nisro grassroots home ye peaceful so Gwagumeni you got to about Gwagumeni in the winning and only a dineko no beer dinachi because nobody was cheated. Nobody, no be a young chichimobisa, young yinkrophobia, register anymore, and then your manoma. Not peace, Abba. But you know, my baby, because your chambers grams here, the Bako case Bako court to our Eastern region, any Ashanti region. And some now, I'm the band, I ask him, and the echoes will be at 2 or on premier yet PBR. Which is not right. But I mean the passer, General Secretary, Eba because maybe a court process will be to abandon to know a null and void. Which is the step in the right direction. And yeah, me Bonabaso say what Timabeka to help in bringing up sanity. Our base.
Council, let you about Bontina Manfubin Swaja, Oko PMO, Secre, Ashanti Regina, Womo Secre say, executives near to about a year woman, even though. One say it was unconstitutional, but one they still hold themselves and say one executives.
They been a sanity, Massa. That's them now. Okay.
It
is an association. Number one, an association. Association on the constitution and on the rules and the regulations. So you who free man, you are no more a member of the association. That is what it is. Plain and simple. Into almost one who do as a year. On the executives, no one go election for no moon you for nipa. The even says Uncle for no say a member. Look, when there are no sanctions, people will continue to do the same thing. 107.3. We ye nasi yankafia. We say to be ye. Obakasa we ye and carry into me so mean ko ye bin then remember. Into no media, I was happy say General Secretary. Etu na numu to semasa baby asem no court to biano elections be a course who be an null and void ebe end for fraud wetu na numu to waka he's speaking from the executive base as a general secretary. Why is more powerful than him apart from the chairman? Nobody. Into waka I was said put the things in place as an association. We are obetima or that police for back to a complaint put ya becho. So you are causing public disturbance in your manoma. On Kaya Association. Obetimuso ye communicate say we are UFI party no then abe. Co-independent. Or to the mechanism. But there must be discipline in this party. For once. There must be a clear discipline that will bring the party together. So people will fear to do certain things. Answer somewhere. It has been too many a time. Right from after President Kufuor. And you may be a koso. Because a majority leader, former majority leader, because and gaining more power and have a party. They say the party is so say right from the time when we win election 2016, 2020, since a winning and then this year, 2024, we lost in a very bad way.
Yeah,
a young crop for about Twabama, Oman Twabano, but 2 million and over people did not vote. Only 2 million and over and all the car. Mahmoud Bamia vote to one. Akajo Mahama be winning. No. But we share grade now to me say, baby MPP for Tuaba, I don't know Swati, but then this is for votes no. Ejina baby ejina. And this thing was people now for kase said the no massive kono or didija and no man no baby for ko e kanu. Enti wo mon Tuaba. Me kokuma se konante na tom so mon Tuaba da. Amanfo nso di ate say obeko market ne ma me for ne te ho. Ye Tuaba no mo te ho no mo hwe. Enye so mo ye adwuma bi o mo to mo Tuaba.
Emfa wo mo ho.
When your own house rise up against you, then you have a big problem. Into omo di animu no mo fisa agrobi ni yedi no. Mo di amon chen. You start to see a jail mu a. And na mo behu the thing that you have done. Me da me ka. Me say there is a concerted to jail a lot of NPP people. Most na mo na mo take government positions. Into ye be bibi. Near the attack. It is some of the mama together. Na mo nyai sa pese mimkuminya ene nsem hunu na ekoso no na mo mat together as a people to fight this thing, the impending enemy, in such a way some which may protect mo ho edu sa time na mo behu mon kai rolling time e dey see confiscation of people's assets. People run away from the country. Up to now we have not found certain people, and when they try to put fear into the minds of the people. It's for the people to keep quiet. So when you do, they will come and find a way of getting you. Now every human being too has got an issue because you are not perfect. Yes. Oti the mechanism. Etino Wontumi a savo no matter no pay.
So what didn't be a quite
yeba. Hey, it's a moon back together. Not a moon standing well and then maybe because I'm saying with the mama together. Namonya one voice. Namo find democracy ni namo protected the democracy of this country. Esemwara.
Council leadership to mean cracky whip and
it has happened for too long. People take decisions. Now I share my example be. Yeah, after 2012 election, yeah, 2016. Yeah, chairman of the party no Afoko.
Yeah.
Suspended. That create the basis upon which he now and your constitution. It doesn't even follow the constitution of the party, but yet ye General Secretary Kokaya also ye pakwandi as at the time I General Secretary yes say will be NPP NDC and then Dankusa because all your campaign okonyase or the Nankusa konyase them and semubu. Internet so here ka foforo.
Okay.
Omusika Lankusa for no koto eno onya eno eye NDC ni bi na dem an nti why compromise nti see you me can obi atobi otebi atebi sa Lankusa me tue bi me tue skani bi.
Oh okay.
And ye de koto sa Lankusa no pa me the proof becho as at the time ayi kwabra Japan we fi ade no so no the cabin say $15,000 so tuama a sell bi ade ben say the company bi wo no fay it na nya no correct.
Okay.
But a man for to me you so no di no sa de na ba party nim na e di party na be do sa point no se man reverse ade no ma grounds for no man confident say they are members of an association or they have sympathy for this association and therefore they want to come out and vote massively in 2028. You can forget it. You can forget it because it is still going on. Who call baby obi so acclamation. Okay. Acclamation that when he found your constitution
on the
post today. I'm not ready some person to about so we acclamation. It means you are not looking at what is happening. You are not bringing it to your mind and say, oh, this don't happen. Yes, sir, when you to me and we need power. Because I always say, so yeah, baby, NDC free buy. Omufi AFRC PNDC on buy NDC on buy. Now you are Juma Maya or Ghana. Within all these years, about 32 years or so no more years.
Okay.
It's nothing to write home about. But over time, I end this MPP for by 2000. Social interventions, any developments, change of policy, and Ghana Abedu Sapointi.
16 years.
Yes. Uti the mechanism. Nanado, yes, me them say Nanado for the party, he performed abysmally because he wanted power.
Okay.
To be able to do what things that he wanted to do. But over national level, and unmatched.
Wow.
Yes. Opa koko ye muna mo ye journalism pa mo koko check. We are researching. President Kufuor Bahenu, the state of affairs of this country was fear and panic. He was able to settle the country. EPIC came out of EPIC. As President Kufuor was leaving, we had found crude oil.
Yeah.
The economy was booming. NDC for better to see. The second term of NDC, which is John Mahama, was pitch darkness. What does darkness mean? No electricity. What does no electricity? Loss of jobs. What does no loss of jobs mean? No revenue. Nothing happened.
Wow.
Massa, NPP is a party that when it comes to power, aside in the midst of all problems, they have a trajectory of doing things for the benefit of the people of this country. Capitation grant one at the buy. Send our constitution, 1992 constitution. What is capitation grant? It's to afford the young ones to be able to go to school with some amenities. Maybe a one project, a NIPA, a development. Or then be free maternity. A man who can you because and Obama so be refugee. What was it for? Was it not for human beings? For the development of human beings to lift their problems in terms of financial difficulties. Me either ko minister the hospital me bana ya wonu foforo na or what low immune or the hospital ho na yade etwetwetwem sei akona be baka no yare oso mo mrefie o fancy ho yes cash and carry uko hospital so utua so wentimi antua ya ma ya hwaw o say NHIS National Health Insurance Scheme into what done repayment of medical bills to an insurance scheme. Who did that benefit? And you Ghana for Wontumi hospital mbewu. We not so the school feeding program.
Yeah.
And Kolani ko school yes one more than Kolani ko school because a comedium. My minimum mama duani comedium. Asumo kwa ya mama duani it's at least 1 square million farm. And nipa that's any development no. Also leap in Kokura no my year Kokura no man who ye na Wontumi nya hwe no. Ya mom 350 cedis a month. Leap no. So the way oh yes. Wontumi and they put body and soul together. But they make us our personal social response, or the matromas by. Say, fan Kolani ko school and Safam Mefin Kokoran to fire free. These are social human interventions. Because MPP who say, yet me my income support, yet my unemployment benefit, yet my disability allowance, yet the enlightened weight in the Kakako, BBC Beduo.
The system, the moon, no.
When you do no, Nana do Biden or FS, free
SHS, yeah.
The first time in the history of the budget of this country, somebody got money to take the kids to school. Because a huge chunk of the youth were becoming illiterates because their parents could not afford. Armed robbery. Because some time back, some minister be central region. And then armed robbery got change the card on me. It was papa na so MP. Now so we MP ni be kun because muna mama we society. It because the youth were so much out there. There's nothing for them to do. And so they decided to now begin to join gangs and stuff like that. Ya do omo school. First then kolano roadside ni bebre beboa. I feel be crime I made 7,000
school.
On my backlog, no, eco school, and your mom banning school. All free power, 3.something million kids had been educated free. Now, is that not for the future of this country? It is an investment in the future of the country because these people have to take over from the old men who are dying tomorrow and the things that are happening. And if they are not well prepared, what will happen? This is MPP. MPP. And you know, it'll be the say, Sanko $1 billion a crown, conference free education. And to buy then Abba. Free education, then I say, so what you gather with your guys first in the ground. Because the parents cannot pay. So the kids are coming back to the streets. And the MPP is a party that has the soul of the people. And they say, Abadaye. To the benefit of the people. Personal in fighters in Yoma, and it cannot be perfect. But my advice to them say, many chances, no, they have been able to change the system and make Ghanaians lift their heads up. What to them? Me try to be Nancy so the asset of the national asset. Me say from a champion FWK Akufu. And your money a diversity China. These were companies that had employed people. Companies are not employing for. These companies were divesting my nyoma money in a gui and that's unemployment into the domain. Masa NPP for Semutia. Wake up from your slumber. It is not about you. Who MP no say it's not about you. Who chairman also, it is not about you. It is about the association and the spirit of the association to come to power and help Ghanaians to be able to live as Ghanaians. The other party, no. I don't see policy. 24-hour economy is dead on arrival.
What was the secretariat too?
And the secretariat because 24-hour economy said the presumption is 133. You been your best friend 3 and ye I'm about to. Where is the base of 24-hour economy?
Almost so much as a quiet market.
Asa na market and then your cotton. Your market here we can go and 12 hours. Now it's a 24-hour market and then the bay and then the cotton. What is he going to sell? And then the better man the China Yafani Badmate me and son of my it is fluke and you're no credit.
24-hour economy market, no. Any 24-hour economy entire.
Made them advice on first can go Ajadawa and never amount for Pumudi. No, we charge you 24-hour economy. Now, no baby now control him. You be see my cousin there be on the market. And misplaced priorities. Misplaced priorities. That's what it is.
Lawyer Charles Owusu Juana eja mpanyifo ne kasa bo na bepura ya na pepe no free etre kamia yesa na nsen no amanfo bi ka se NPP amanyokuo ni nhye ni titena ni chairman a wobetimi ahwe na wa stamp authority na sebio amanfo bi a wo mo ne ye ne ade ne party ne bo abira no wobetimi atwo maso ne kamia se bi ni ho no ntina bia ahya se eye no masa sesi ano nche bia no yebekọ na yakwa akotwa mfoni na NPP fo wo mo akwakoto aba akwakoyi woni mpanyifo so far the kind of leadership pen ye hia e wo soro ho no mo esan se ade ni na bagye gu a ye na hya se firi soro ho no mo wo mutimi hya se hye no mo firi soro ho no mo a ase ye no de na yakwa akokọ se ayemre kura ye hwe the kind of leadership a ye hia at the national level a ban is chairmanship you know so far there yenim se nipa be enum bi na wo mo edin obia yetete ne ade akwakoya atesem ne ade sa yenhwe the kind of leadership be ne hia e wo soro no mo
minimum there the kind of leadership I hear a leader or strong or you're very strong or you're physically fit.
Okay.
Or you're intellectually balanced. Or sounds you're a politician.
Can some say description where the science to be now you're a bit more connected dot no one.
But say here will be or you're strong.
What thing?
Or sounds you're very powerful in terms of the personality.
Okay.
The obey or caso we are no on one obey, which may pull a man for together for them to do the right thing.
Okay.
And he will be so intellectually balanced.
Ajeneka. Okay.
And not sounds a politician. Because the essence of NPP is politics. Yempo bia or woman as a poppy.
Okay.
Now I'm in as a pono on discharging me. No beba, no ababi do no obabe exhibit in the men as a pono was so.
Okay. That's will be tiny.
No, dear, call baby, a free buy. There be every day in Pepe. Ye pe obi nso the track record. Say akoi.
Obetimi aye.
Why ye bita.
Okay.
What did they make us? It the experience of the person, the track record in that position, and the rest of them are very necessary. Into Usha and Kofo Baby contest say. Almost nobody do baby a yedri.
Okay.
And Kofo Binsu, a former president, and no much share Noma and the party in the base no a cobasa.
Okay.
And it is uncle almost standing up against the Sanyoman. You because the system was in the hand of a group of people.
Okay.
And you want more but your opportunities one more to abano. Monya a little bit of research, no who be a union a feebar. Dear ye perceive ye. Any a dintia ye ba abaye. Whether ye bania between Crofoboni be a moya ye ka. And I say ye ba near babe ye babe boa party na fan into my pay fra na konenim. And no credit ye mean a bakupe. Me kai pa yako 2016 elections. Na afoko nipo friend saying Kwabre Japan no me secretary. Within the period no we year juma no. They brought the people together. To be who was that and the party was upbeat, campaigning.
Yeah.
And then they see you over free one buy. Yeah, they buy CPP near across the carpet. For the first time, and he didn't buy a chairman because he beat back control duty. And they did John Buedo about a batano. Yes, a batano. And then you see Parliament to call form drastically because a new man and no more yen. Almost put two way against way a person or corny ways in the elections. There was a lot of division. Your call election wound is here.
And the chairman,
yes,
okay.
Nipa Bakwa no ye. Almost almost preliminary and another crab by the can once and said that Nipa no ye. And you know a boy and sonny to me. I control Parliament. Na sa Nipa and some baby and fan and na ostay.
Okay.
School ben okoe. Sakraye ben wenya. Into when you just say, bit my boy.
Okay.
May it me a forward. What I say?
Okay.
A bit so some time ago, your ministers and you, my dear. What is some way be for party in pew? They went home and slept. Sometime you do you say, okay, Benja, but we acquire about the contest for Chairman Debbie. Presidency no pay. I didn't need your over.
Okay.
And you pay back time. Because you see, the leader of the party is the leader of the chairman of the party is the leader of the party according to the amendment. And the motion ye na money. Because ye call primaries for Baumia primaries. Nam call radio. Me who are there nam teams are there na nyanya. Nam call the people were being misled. Tim call nam say share. Canada Japan. Our case, murder case business and go. You see ye no le prosecute. Mo le kwaso ye prosecute say bit must say adventure. Imagine someone or winning near queen.
Okay.
I can't tell my yet means a flag bearer. You see, I did a Wontumi, a bundle near Nako to prison.
Think about one quiet tune earlier, and they be uncle Winnie, your grandpa, a national chairman. Yes. Okay.
What ya, the national chairman. It you know, some mistakes there are our party. Obia Tibiano. For when he bra and if was so bra. And you may see what party him antecedents see what party ma and my party na be do sa stage here wo yi mu no kura ne de ba kope.
Okay.
I say onipa bi onim yansa no se me dem nsa ma adwene da mu nyina mo fa ma adwene ba because yetimi win elections na mu nyina ne o ma bi adwuma bi a ye de ama oba adwuma bi a wo nua bi ye bi adwuma bi a we ye bi e sustain. You lose election, I'm for lose Majuma, lose contracts, lose Nyoma baby. And yes, I will say the neighbor because we say no to Tunisa no ye, it is a macano. Obi obeti me Jilan and name was to say the mayor. One of the things that ye is go for free moon, because ye to me control Muntesi, you free moon. I no crack.
Okay.
And see ye timi Emma Sadi ni NCPU. It's a here chairman or you strong or you able or you fortified.
No
Strobia. It's in Ukraine woman. I don't know Becca.
Okay.
Into one Casamatwama. Ushame Nibana Bana. Omudia in
Council said ya said ya odi bini nemu dia se me hwe trait na amna man focus enke be yanka lawyer Charles Owusu Juanan won mrai na ja party se was tom no Britain team be sabri won be dia nim se na sona chairman
they be kwaguti o ade no se obviously that's say my enter political space.
Yeah.
Pa. Jama for bit back as okay. Chairman Cromley. Your brother on my contest chairmanship in here. Yeah, I can understand that. But you may be what I so be your way, Chili. He said me. Me a chairman.
Okay.
Me to me yes Edgeman.
Oh, Sambum.
Debbie. Because they never be animating me.
Okay.
But baby I'm a tea. Make me fire. That's it. I'm on quasa. My way no more. Who do you see? It is a member. Na me say when mu ko wia na me na say ko ya
na wa waje waje dey so so
na party na fa ntuma pafia
no
nti we de mamu ko but any maka no mo amutie dum na maka no kula na maka no
so far say dey wo kan ye hwe ye wo boache jaako e wo mu afi ye wo John Boadu na Paul Afoko e wo mu bie na ba kokora mpo eja me tie se yes ayi nso ba ayi me nim so confirm dia ayi wa wo fa yi wo fa ya ayi braya woncha ayi wo fa de bia we campaign money maybe says so would you be nkan ho bia kan so no bibisa wo enti se dia ayi wontu betimi
me bia stop no
obetimi contest still
me bia stop no
abra wo de fiase
the constitution we must be the fiase
and council say ko ba say wo wene wo de asem kan wo wene na o national chairman
and then the difficulty is that so we not on the prisoner ebe hadwene it will be for the sake of the party no or don't can withdraw from the competition because uncle ko the battle so ko the battle not succeed here so it's still young wait must have baby
okay but amanfo tuma na ko ba so mtuma no a ensesa hwe
o da bi na say bibi o constitution just obi here you be a prisoner o timi yana we me who you they go with the na kire me
okay
but as a matter of the in the interest of the party in the account obviously I was say OTSS be a drone so push it back from the competition.
Okay.
No go fighting the legal battles.
No. Okay.
Which means succeeding as elections in any there. That's a bit masaba. But so succeeding as elections here we there. And then no be power home for the next leadership contest ever battle.
Na obi bi so say the description ya o mai ni na no ekeme say ase wo hwe a obia wone nenso e wo mu a ade na kwakwa ese ase won hyede ehu wo bi bisa se wen poti se ye de tumi na hye won sa se paw national chairman obetime di amanyoko nanim anko nkodin no
e masiba to ama no nipa no obi sa kwaje kaje zam siba to ama no ensem na mechanic detail pa ma ayi into no anka so in research no say na we den we say we den no nya na adwene. Because me metrahana me be support to big so be do be we be a minipa.
Mate. Lawyer Charles Owusu Juana, we a senior citizen concerned Democrat was saying me nim nia wa bobill e wo emremu e bana manyosem so dia wodi a kirikese pa ana ni dinko lawyer e beda se na nwumre se woje penie na woni yedinkomo.